Bugatti Chiron 2025 is a masterpiece of engineering and luxury, pushing the boundaries of what a hypercar can achieve. In this video, we will take a detailed look at its breathtaking performance, stunning exterior, luxurious interior, and pricing, giving you a complete understanding of why this car stands as an icon of speed and elegance. Starting with the exterior, the Bugatti Chiron 2025 maintains the brand's signature aerodynamic design, refined to enhance both aesthetics and performance. The front features large air intakes, not just for cooling but also to ensure better stability at high speeds. The sleek LED headlights blend seamlessly into the aggressive yet elegant body lines, emphasizing its futuristic appeal. The side profile showcases the iconic C-shaped Bugatti line, a signature element that adds to its visual drama. At the rear, a massive diffuser and an active rear wing provide optimal downforce, ensuring the car remains planted to the road, even at extreme speeds. Inside the cabin, the Bugatti Chiron 2025 offers a blend of luxury and cutting-edge technology. Premium leather, carbon fiber, and aluminum accents create an ambience of sophistication. The driver-focused cockpit features a digital instrument cluster with high-resolution displays, providing real-time data on speed, power distribution, and aerodynamics. The minimalist yet functional center console houses essential controls, ensuring an uncluttered driving experience. Comfortable, ergonomically designed seats offer maximum support, making long drives feel effortless despite the car's immense power. Additionally, the sound system is engineered to provide a premium audio experience, complementing the cabin's luxurious atmosphere. Under the hood, the Bugatti Chiron 2025 continues to dominate with its monstrous 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine, delivering an astonishing 1,600 horsepower. This powerhouse enables the Chiron to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 2.3 seconds, with a top speed exceeding 260 miles per hour. The advanced all-wheel drive system, coupled with a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, ensures seamless power delivery and exceptional handling. Bugatti has further refined the suspension and braking system, making this hypercar not only incredibly fast but also remarkably stable and controlled. Whether on the track or open highways, the Chiron delivers an unparalleled driving experience. When it comes to pricing, the Bugatti Chiron 2025 remains a symbol of exclusivity. With a starting price exceeding $3.5 million, it is designed for an elite clientele who seek the ultimate blend of performance, luxury, and craftsmanship. Customization options allow buyers to personalize every aspect of their vehicle, from bespoke interior materials to unique exterior finishes. Due to its limited production, owning a Chiron is not just about driving a hypercar, it's about possessing a rare piece of automotive art. With its stunning design, unmatched power, and unparalleled